Hi guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my Flagstaff home. Today I am going to show you a really delicious recipe for an appetizer that my family always fixes for the holidays. So come along with me and be sure to subscribe. So you guys, this appetizer is called Ramaki, and it is actually bacon wrapped water chestnuts in a really yummy sauce. And you just, after you fix it all up, you just put it in something that will keep it warm, like a crock pot or some kind of a thing that has a candle or something underneath it. It's great to take to parties or just to serve as a snack. So really yummy, really easy, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So you want to start by preheating your oven to 350, and then you need 2 cans of water chestnuts. You want the whole ones, not the ones that are sliced. Then you need a package of bacon. I like to get thinner sliced bacon, and you cut it into thirds, and then you wrap each water chestnut in a third of a piece of bacon, and then put toothpicks in there to hold them together. Put them on a baking sheet that's lined with foil and then spray it lightly with some cooking oil. Put it in that preheated 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes, but just check your oven because you want to make sure that the bacon gets nice and crispy, not too browned, but you also don't want it to be floppy bacon in any way. For your sauce, you need brown sugar and Worcestershire sauce and ketchup. That's all you need for that. You need actually 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of ketchup and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Put that in a pan over some low heat and stir it the whole time. You don't want any chunks of brown sugar in there, so as you're stirring, make sure you're breaking those up until the sauce is nice and smooth. You can see here that the bacon is nice and crispy on these. They were in the oven for about 30 minutes. You want these to be served warm, so I have mine in a dish that has a candle underneath that kind of keeps it warm, but you can also serve it in a small crock pot. Well, I hope that you give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know what you think. These things are so yummy, easy to eat, and easy to like polish off a bunch of them. Yeah, really, really good. Thanks for watching My Flagstaff Home, and if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.